So you've been deleting zombie debt off your report, but what if I told you there's a way to buy zombie debt and flip it like real estate for pennies on the dollar? Yeah, this is that next level credit game. Let's break it down what zombie debt really is. Zombie debt is old, charged off debt that's been bought and sold so many times, it's basically financial roadkill. It's debt that's technically still out there, but the statute of limitations for collection has often expired. Collection agencies scoop it up from banks and lenders for fractions of a cent on the dollar. We're talking $1,000 debts sold for $10 to $20 bulk prices. But here's the twist. If you know where to look, you can buy these same debt portfolios yourself. Where it's bought? Most people don't realize this, but debt buying is an actual industry, and you don't need to be a huge company to get started. Websites like Debt Trader, Forward Flow, Charged Off, or Kinetic Recovery are platforms where bulk debt portfolios get auctioned off. These portfolios can include credit card charge-offs, auto deficiencies, medical or utility debts, even old payday loans. You can filter by state, type, age of debt, and whether the data is verified, meaning it still has full account details attached. How the flip works? Now, flipping zombie debt isn't about collecting on people. That's a rookie move. The real money is in data flipping. You buy small portfolios, let's say a batch of 500 charged-off accounts for $2,000. You are then analyze which ones are legally uncollectible but still being reported. Package those into a clean data set, showing statute of limitations expiration, verification gaps, and credit bureau inconsistencies. Resell that data or the entire portfolio to credit repair firms, dispute services, or other buyers who use it for deletion strategies. You're not chasing debtors, you're flipping intel. That's the ethical play. The legal side. Before you dive in, understand the legal lines. You're not a collection agency unless you try to collect. Buying debt for research, resale, or data purposes doesn't require a license in most states, but collecting does. Always check your state's Department of Banking or Commerce website for the words debt buyer license. Also, remember once a debt passes the statute of limitations, it's legally unenforceable in court, even if it still shows on reports. How the big players do it? Big credit repair firms quietly buy zombie debt portfolios all the time. They study the data, find repeat reporting errors, and use that to craft more powerful Metro 2 deletions. That's how they can predict which disputes win before they even send them. The more you understand how the back end works, the more leverage you have on your own credit journey or your clients. Closing game plan. So here's your power move. Start small, 200 to 500 test batch from a reputable exchange. Focus on non-collectible or outdated accounts. Build a simple spreadsheet tracking age, last payment date, and whether the debt is still reported. Flip the cleaned data or portfolio for 2 to 3 times your buy-in to credit repair specialists. You're not just fixing credit, you're stepping into the same data stream that banks and bureaus profit from daily. That's how you stop playing defense and start playing offense in the credit game. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and share it. Because next video, we're going even deeper into how credit repair firms monetize those same portfolios. Subscribe and turn on notifications. This is Wealth Hacks 360, where we turn loopholes into leverage.